So, task 13, write a function that removes a string in a list of strings. So what we have is a programming language list given with strings and one programming language that we want to remove. Good. So first we bring the list into memory and then we think very hard what to do. A simple approach would be, for example, just define a function that loops over the elements and appends if we have or have not a match. Right, so we would have a result list that is first empty, and then for I in list 1, we loop over all the elements of list 1, we check if I is equal string 1, and then basically do nothing. Else append, a little bit slow again, don't know why, I, and at the end return rest list. Okay, Windows. Good. Execute, test, and there we go. Can be done a little bit better because we have an unused if. What we just need to do is to put true to not and so true to false and false to true. Well, if something is not true, it is false. And if it's not false, it's true. Then we don't need the if statement. Conditional checks in principle are computationally expensive, but compared to other operations, simplify still works. Now it can be a little bit better. We could, for example, only return element j if j is equal Python else do nothing for j in programming languages. It is an inline if we still need to execute it as list. There we go. We have now, however, only Python. To fix, we add the not. So if not over here, the brackets, there we go. Now we have JavaScript, Java, C++, Java, because we have the else here, and there must be an else. The syntax requires it. So language group. What we could do instead, if we don't want, nothing is working again. Not ellipses. We could, for example, have an empty string. Looks a little bit silly, right? We can have a print command, but we must have something. Well, then we would have, I think, none. Do something. So it is not as clever as we could have made it. What else can we do? We can have an if statement in a list comprehension. So we can have, hey, give I for I in programming languages if I not, if not I equal Python. And the bracket around the version again. There we go. Easy.